Right, because I'm thinking since Michael has the channel, maybe he can say, okay, I'm going to have three Gaza folks, three Crooks folks, three, or two from each camp. Maybe if you're talking about cartel and massacre that day, you have, so okay, I'm only going to have three Gaza folks and I will have three Crocs folks on the channel. So that way you don't have five, six Gaza folks and one Croc, and then the whole
Mm.
conversation, the person now becomes overpowered by all the Gaza folks,
No,
right?
it can be where even if we have a channel of the panel where anybody sees fit to go up or debate, it could be one person against five. It's all about really, as how Imhotep would have said, decorum. You get the
Right.
message, allow everyone to speak in an orderly fashion. You get the message, allow somebody to give a rebuttal to when a conversation is made. And Michael have those powers, It's not the moderators. Him,
Yeah.
the pan channel. Him have to initiate those type of stuff. Yo, people, we could keep it down. You get the message, let's keep the conversation